Po, yung kanina.
Hindi maliwanag.
Yung sumagot.
2011, Your Honor.
As treasurer.
As municipal accountant, Your
As
Honor.
municipal accountant. Okay. So, in short, kung 2011 ka as municipal accountant, kuha, si Villa, si Maria Lea Villa was also part of the doon po sa possible persons liable. Kasi po, kung 2011 ka, ma'am, Villa, ang holdover po is 2011. Tama. So, municipal accountant ka. So, may problema ka rin, ma'am. Anyway, paki-check na lang po, si ma'am Maliwanag, ma'am, you're the former treasurer, ma'am. Ikaw po, you're the former treasurer. Dating treasurer ka po. Please use the microphone po. Ma'am, are you...
Magandang tanghali ho. Ako ang treasurer noong 2011.
Okay po. Ganito lang po. Pero hanggang when po? Hanggang kailan po?
Hanggang August 2012.
August 2012.
August 2012. Dahil
Okay,
ako
so 1 year.
nag-retire ng August
Okay, sige po.
24.
August 2024? August 24.
August 24 ako
Also,
nag-retire.
almost 1 year ka lang. 11 to 12 ka. Year 2011 to 2012.
Kailan kayo na-appoint na treasurer?
Ha?
Kailan kayo na-appoint?
To 2008.
2008. Okay.
Yeah,
Anyway, hindi.
8
Alam ko po,
to
medyo masama yung pakiramdam mo. But ma'am, naririnig mo naman siguro yung usap-usapan, di ba?
Kung naririnig na.
Naririnig mo ba yung usap-usapan?
Ha?
Hindi, medyo may...
Ano ho, Kenneth, ano,
Hindi mo, Anyway, ma'am, naririnig mo rin yung mga, mga usap-usapan dito? Naintindihan mo ba?
Naintindihan ka daw ninyo yung pinag-usapan.
naintindihan ko.
So, kinokompirma mo po na doon lang po sa PS at saka MOE, during your time, kasi ikaw yung pumirma ng mga vouchers, di ba? Tama?
Kami ng PS na nagpasuldo, no?
Oo, mga pasweldo
Kami
po.
nga nun.
Oo.
Ang ano?
So, kinokompirma mo ba na
PS.
yung mga pasweldo po, yung ibang mga empleyado doon sa water district o water system, ang munisipyo po nagpapasahod?
Anong sabi? Walang ano.
Ano na lang.
Kung ang munisipyo daw po ang nagpapasahod sa empleyado ng waterworks.
No.
Noon?
Mga munisipyo pa ako nagpapasahod.
Okay. Anyway,
Bago
thank you, ma'am.
nilipat na
Thank you.
sa-
Gusto ko lang kumpirmahin
data.
kasi treasurer ka dati. Tsaka, I understand na medyo may problema na po yung physically unfit ka po. Anyway, if the members of this committee will allow, we'll just excuse Ma'am Maliwanag. Ma'am, pwede ka na po. May excuse na lang po. Para makapagpahinga ka po. Yes. Okay na po. Thank you po. Thank you for coming po. Mas matapang ka pa po sa iba ng mga invited resource person. Ikaw po, pumunta kahit ganun yung sitwasyon mo. Yung iba po, diabetic daw sila. Ikaw, may sakit pa. Kanila po, nag-high blood. Pero, she stayed. Anyway, yes,
Mr. Chair.
Please proceed.
Thank you. I'd just like to ask the accounting, sino yung accountant? Please use the mic.
Yes po.
Okay. Now, were you already the accountant nung binayaran nyo yung advance payments yung for the electricity?
No, Your Honor.
Hindi pa?
Hindi pa po.
Sino yung accountant that time?
Miss Marites Abrahan po.
And wala na siya dito?
Yes po, deceased na po.
Deceased na?
Yes.
So, kailan ba binayaran yan? Yung advances, yung 2 million tsaka 20 million.
We received the...
Can you use the mic? Can you speak to the mic, please? Lapit mo lang.
Wait lang po.
Sige.
Based on record, Your Honor, we received the 20 million on March 27, 2008.
When did you return it to the person who gave it? Yan ang tanong ko po.
During the sale na po, Your Honor.
When was that? Kailan yun?
2013?
2013.
Yes po, Your
So, accountant ka na that time?
Yes, Your Honor.
Now, okay. Sa pagbayad ng advance na yun, of course, munisipyo na pera yun, di ba? Ang ginamit.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Did they charge interest?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so, ikaw as accountant, ano ang basis mo at bakit ka pumayag na may interest?
Because it was stipulated in the contract, Your Honor.
Anong contract yun?
I think it was the GMC.
Anong GMC? What's a GMC?
The General Management Contract, sir, Your Honor.
The general management contract stated na yung advance nila, which was not yet included in the contract at that time, should earn interest.
I think so, Your Honor.
You think so? Di ba as an accountant, dapat ang obligasyon mo is to make sure that before a check is issued by the treasurer, everything is covered.
Sir, I failed to review on that part. Hindi ko na lang po ma-recall ano.
Hello, boss. Mark.
That area po.
Now, my point being, before a party is obligated to pay interest, I'm sure Attorney Congressman Acop will confirm this, di ba? The rate of interest must first be agreed by both parties. Tama ko ba? Tama po? Ha?
Yes po, Your Honor.
So, nung binayad niya yung 2 million tsaka 20 million, may agreement na ba na magkaka-earn yun ng interest?
Sir, I think it was
Wala pang GMC that
stipulated in
time,
But it was mentioned in the... Sir, wait. Can we just check the record, sir?
It was
Okay.
mentioned in the contract. Yun ba yung gusto mong sabihin, madam?
Meron? COA?
It was stated already by the COA kanina. Ma'am, di ba ma'am? 18%?
Your Honor, based on the general management contract, the contract we are referring to, meron po ditong provision under 10.2, yung 10% interest per annum regarding the advanced financial assistance given by Aquadata, which was not honored or accepted by the special audit team, Your Honor.
Okay, 10% for the advance.
18% po.
18%.
Yes.
18%. And to start when? From the time that the payment was made or the contract was made?
Upon payment of the financial assistance, Your Honor.
Wala pa silang kontrata that time eh. Wala
Yes.
pang GMC, di ba?
I
So
think-
how could it earn
so,
interest?
I think to cover it, they included a provision on the contract for that 18%.
Si
So
accountant, di ba? Nag-advance payment nga siya, pero wala pang kontrata that time. And you bound yourself to pay 18% interest when the contract was executed way after the payment was made. Tama ko ba?
Accountant, before you answer the query of Vice Chair Kit Flores, let me acknowledge the presence of the representative from the Lone District of Santa Rosa, Chairman Committee on Public Order and Safety in the 19th Congress. Ewan ko kung tutuloy ito. But anyway, he's running for governor in Laguna. No? Tingnan natin kung mananalo to. Late na naman siya eh. Anyway, I'd like to acknowledge the presence of Representative Dan Fernandez, so again, Chairman, Public Order and Safety, 19th Congress. Please proceed, ma'am.
Wag na lang po, wag na lang po. I'm making that statements kasi obviously ito ang nangyari, no? Yung advance payment factored in, no? The decision making of the LGU na payagan itong very one-sided contract with this party. Kasi kung wala yun, hindi yun tinanggap ng LGU, hindi yun tinanggap ng as advance payment, wala kayong obligasyon to enter into a very disadvantageous contract. May institusyon kayo na kumikita, yet pumasok kayo sa isang kontrata na in the end, kayo pa yung nagbabayad when it was supposedly earning money prior to that? Diba? I'm really surprised doon na bakit hanggang ngayon wala pa rin nakulong sa inyo eh. Kasi it's obvious, it's deliberate, and it's very appalling na kumikita dapat, tapos bigla na lang palugi. And yet pumayag ang lahat, ha? Wala akong narinig dito na who said that I raised an opposition to this contract or to the continuation or the continuously honoring this contract. Wala akong narinig sa inyo eh. Kaya sa akin, it's slow. Parang ganun na ba ka bulag at insensitive yung mga tao doon na okay lang sa inyo na ganun ang nangyayari sa bayan ninyo? Sabi nga ni COA, magkano ang total na nawala, COA? Napalugi nila? Magkano?
The net loss suffered by the municipality of Bawan because of that contract, Your Honor, from 2008 to 2013 was 34.2 million,
So,
Your Honor.
34.2 million. Na pera na hindi na maibabalik doon sa dapat sa bayan ninyo. Isa pang punto po is I was given information na may iilang barangay that was serviced ang water nila by the barangay themselves. Tama mo ba? Can someone confirm this? Barangay San Pablo, Barangay Bagilawa, at Barangay Colvo, they have their own water system. Tama mo ba? Councilor, you're nodding your head? Tama, di ba? Now, sinabi po, no, nalaman ko lang, na ang per cubic meter na price dun sa mga barangay na nagsaserve sa sarili nilang barangay is just 16.67 sa San Pablo, 23.25 sa Bagilawa, at 21.67 pesos sa Colvo. Samantala, yung Aqua Data charges 35.79 pesos per cubic meter. Ang laki ng difference. Ang mahal ni Aqua Data. Yet, si LGU pa ang nagsasubsidize ng PS at saka MOOO nila. So if you sum it all up, may kumita dito eh. Ang laki ng kinita at the expense of the people of Bawan. And what's the sad part about it is that none of you raised an objection. None of you said na bawal to, mali to. True enough, no, sa simula niyan, noble ang intention ninyo kasi mapuputulan na nga ng this and that. Mawawalan ng kuryente, mawawalan ng tubig. But how could you allow it to go on for so long? Paano niyo mapabayaan na ganun palugi ang bayan ninyo? Ang ending, para I see you, wala kayong mga konsensya eh. Because all of you failed to raise it as an issue. Yun lang po, Chairman.
Oh, you're done, Vice Chair. Anyway,
Mr. Chair.
before I recognize Chairman Akop, anyway, kanina po, it was announced by this chair, by the chair that the hearing will end at 12, no? Because we have a lot of activities in today here in Congress. So kanina po sabi ko nga we have to discuss lang yung second issue, but with this development, especially the revelation doon po sa audit findings ng COA, mukhang we consumed almost 2 hours, no, dito. But anyway, all the more that we have to conduct a hearing, no, during the break po. So, Chairman Akop, please proceed. We have 15 minutes left. Thank you. Please proceed.
I would just like to take advantage para to inform the local officials of the municipality of Bawan para hindi na maulit ito. Number one, Yun pong, I will center my observations po dun sa management contract of Bawan with Aquadata Incorporated. Number one, yung pong management contract ninyo, it was made not in compliance with the BOT law. That would be correct, Madam COA.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. Kasi they failed to follow pre-qualification and bidding requirements under Republic Act 6957 and Republic Act 7718.
Yes, Your Honor.
Correct. Okay. Now, there is no study or legal basis for the 95-5% gross revenue sharing. Would that be correct, Madam COA?
No, Your Honor. It was
Oh.
just indicated in the letter of intent of Aquadata.
Kasi dapat po merong basis ito, di po ba? Kung bakit ganito po ang percentage sharing, which hindi po ginawa ng Municipality of Bawan.
Tama po, Your Honor.
Yes. The other one is yung holdover agreement. The Municipality of Bawan pre-terminated the agreement. Maybe because of its disadvantageous provisions or terms. Pero pumasok pa rin po sila sa holdover agreement eh. Parehas pa rin ang terms and conditions. So it is, hindi namin maintindihan bakit ganon. Which is inherently illegal. Tama po ba, Madam COA?
Yes, Your Honor. It is already outside the contract. It is illegal and it is disadvantageous to the municipality of Bawan.
Now, finally, the sale of the BWS facility. Is it correct for us to conclude that the sale was through an underpriced and illegal negotiated sale to Aquadata? Is that also the finding of COA?
Yes, Your Honor. That is under finding number 5 po. Hindi po
And-
tayo umabot doon.
That is a violation of law.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Kung titignan po natin, yung pong, kaya nagkaroon po ng notice of disallowance doon sa PSNMOE in the amount of 40.3 million. Would that be correct, Madam? And this is not legal also. Na-discuss na natin kanina.
Irregular po yun, Your Honor.
Yes. Para malaman po ng mga officials ng Bawan, yung problema po dun sa holdover management, naririnig po natin kanina na ang dahilan kung bakit tinuloy po nila through a holdover agreement because kailangan po to avoid disruptions in the operations. Tama po. Which is not a valid or legal excuse. Would that be correct, Madam COA?
Tama po.
Oo, hindi po pwedeng excuse po yun na in order for you to avoid disruptions in operations, you will violate the law. Hindi po pwede yun. Now, yung pong meron po rin violation ng BOT law, Republic Act 7718, yung arrangement na ginawa ng Bawan with Aquadata. Kasi, I think it lacked the necessary requirements like no approval from relevant agencies and there was no publication insofar as the project is concerned. Would that be correct also?
Yes, Your Honor.
Hindi rin po ginawa ng Bawan
hindi rin
Municipal...
po. Hindi rin po.
Hindi.
Yung mga requirements under the BOT law, wala po silang naibigay na documents to prove na nag-submit sila as required by law.
Yun pong yung privatization kwan nila, justification, did COA find it legally tenable?
If we speak about if the contract or the privatization or the sale of the Bawan Waterworks system is advantageous to the municipality of Bawan, I don't think so, Your Honor. So I would not agree. So,
So, hindi po. And, Madam Kowa, sa akin, dun sa narinig ko ngayong araw na ito, I think there was a predetermined selection of Aquadata as a party to the management contract. Would you agree with that also, Madam Kowa?
yes, Your Honor. I think we use the word pre-arranged, Your Honor.
Hindi ako predetermined. Ibig sabihin, alam na nasa yung Aquadata ang kukuha.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. And last but not least, Mr. Chair, there was an irregular and undervalued asset purchase agreement. The sale of the BWS was conducted without COA approval, making it illegal. BWS was undervalued. Would that be correct, Madam COA?
Yes, Your Honor.
So, for the officials of Bawan, both current and former, yun po yung pagkakamali natin o yun po yung violations of law na nagawa po natin dahil lang sa BWS contract with Aquadata. Tama?
Yes, yes. Your Honor, would you allow me to just read the finding number 5?
Yes,
This is
please proceed.
pertaining
Wala ako
to
nun siguro eh.
the
Please proceed.
negotiated sale.
Please proceed.
Okay. Under finding number 5, Your Honor, the sale and disposal of BWS facility to Aquadata Incorporated through negotiated sale at 100.636 million purchase price per the asset purchase agreement without the approval of COA was not only irregular, underpriced, and disadvantageous to the municipality of Bawan, but also illegal in the following manner. Letter A, no rebidding for the sale and disposal of BWS facility was conducted, although there was a revision of the terms of reference. B, the disposal of BWS facility through negotiated sale was in violation of Section 379 of Republic Act 7160, Section 79 of PD 1445, and the governing provisions of COA Circular Numbers 92386, 89296, and 86264, and the Department of Budget and Management National Budget Circular Number 425 on Manual on Disposal of Government Property cited by the BAC in the invitation to apply and for eligibility and to bid. Number 3, or letter C, the mayor accepted the offered price of 100.636 million, although the members of the panel of negotiators rejected the price for being unconscionable and disadvantageous to the interest of the municipality. The economic utility of the Bawan Waterworks system based on premium benefit valuation as determined by the members of the special audit team who are licensed engineers amounted to 148 million, Your Honor. And letter D, the asset purchase agreement on sale and disposal of BWS facility had no approval of COA in violation of Section 79 of PD 1445, Section 197 of COA Circular Number 92386, Section 380 of Republic Act 7160, and Article 444 of its IRR. That's it for finding number 5, Your Honors.
Thank you, Ma'am Chona. Anyway, when was the date of that sale, ma'am?
The date of the sale.
Oh. Vice, while Ma'am Chona is searching for the exact date and year, Vice, during the sale of the BWS. Ikaw na ba yung Vice Mayor at the time? Pakiano lang po. Please use the
Hindi
mic.
ba po, sir?
But you are then, hindi rin po kayo councilor
Councilor po ako noon.
sale.
Hindi po ako councilor ho, noong by sale po.
Hindi ka councilor.
Hindi pa.
When was you elected as mayor? As vice mayor?
2022 po, sir.
2022. Last election lang po.
Yes po.
And you're still running now as vice mayor.
Yes po, sir.
Same with Mayor Dolor.
Yes po.
Okay. Anyway, while Ma'am Chona is searching for the exact date, kasi gusto ko lang po makita, kasi from one violation to another violation, tsaka eto, yung sale, malinaw po sa COA audit report based on the findings number 5, na talaga pong ang dami pong violation, and it is not only violated the Republic Act 7718 and 7160. It violated mismo yung COA PD 1445 and Memorandum Circulars of COA. So, ito po, may problema po tayo dito. Now, anyway, Ma'am Chona, do you have a copy now?
The
Please.
date of asset purchase agreement, Your Honor, was executed on January 23, 2013 for the same price po, yung 100.636 million.
Bali, 2013 po.
Yes po, January 23, 2013.
So yung holdover is 2011, tama? From 2011 to 2013.
2013,
After the holdover, bininta na.
binenta na.
Problema tayo dyan. Ang laking problema. Anyway, kasi po, ito lang yung sinasabi niyo po because of for consideration of the interest of the Bawan, municipality of Bawan and the Bawaeños. But tingnan po, kumikita po yung water district nyo before the management contract. Now, second po, question of the sale, kasi sinabi niyo po, baka may interruption na mangyayari. But pwede naman sana po, 2011, nag-hold over kayo, then before the sale, kung kaya nyo na, pwede naman po mag-transition kayo, di ba? Pwede naman transition eh. Di ba? Until such time that the municipality of Bawan can fully manage. Instead of, after the holdover, bininta nyo pa. And mas marami pong rules and regulation, especially with the COA, that were violated. So, malaki pong malaki pong problema to. And anyway, tama lang po, Vice, wala tayong magawa. We have to conduct more hearings with regards to this because we have not yet discussed the second issue about the public plaza, no? The lease agreement for the public plaza po. So we have to discuss it in the next hearing. And before I forgot, let me direct the COMSEC to invite in the next hearing a certain Fernando Cayetano and a certain Emilien Silva, the original incorporator of Aqua Database. And for the record, I checked now the original SEC registration. Yung po, capital is only 10 million. And we're talking about the assessed value is 148 million. Ayan po, pag-usapan natin next hearing. And also kindly invite COMSEC, send an invitation to the SEC so that they can also give some clarifications to the possible queries that will be raised by members of this committee. And that includes us here. Madam COA, yes? Ikaw ngayon yung COA, no? Sa COA ka ba, Madam?
Good afternoon, Mr. Chair. From SEC po.
Sorry?
From SEC po. Yes.
Now, so, may kopya ka ba doon sa Aqua Database? May
Yes po.
dala ka ba?
We provided na rin po sa COMSEC.
Okay, anyway, wala na po tayong oras. Next hearing na lang po. Pinaunahan na kita. Pagandaan mo na lang po yung mga possible questions, no? And the next hearing po. BIR, mayroon pa tayong BIR dito? Wala. O, Please, Comsec.
Sir, yung luwa pag-prepare nyo, anong
Please extend an invitation to BIR, to the BIR in the next hearing. Ang luwa nandito po. Luwa. Ay, sir. Sorry po. Nandito pala po kayo. Please prepare na lang po for yung mga, of course, from the water district, which is being run and managed by the municipality of Bawan. Alam niyo po ang mga pangyayari po.
Mr. Chair, if I may po. Wala pong water district registered under Bawan Water District na pangalan po.
Wala.
Ang meron po doon ay yung as is at saka dalawa lang pong barangay, RWSA ang meron po sa aming listahan.
So paano nagkaroon ng Bawan Water System?
I think this is a LGO, purely LGO operated, sir.
So is it allowed by law?
Yes, sir. Actually, hindi sir sa amin ang ano po sa kanila. That's under DILG and NWRB.
MWRB.
Yes, sir. Kasi doon sir sila makakakuha ng permit for the water
Yeah.
rights.
So COMSEC is directed to invite also representative from NWRB and state the purpose of such invitation para po mapaganda nila. Pwede rin po in advance, kindly send an invitation at the same time, the purpose and documents that we need, no, to shed light on this issue. So, Loa, but legal opinion and position siguro pwede kayong maingan next hearing, no?
We will comply, sir.
Sige, thank you. Now, yes, last na lang po, because we have to suspend na po,
Yes,
kasi it's 12 o'clock na.
pwede ba,
Please proceed.
Mr. Chairman, anong oras po tayo mag-suspend?
Dapat 12 nga eh.
Yun po. Kaya yun lang po tanong ko, Mr. Chair.
Please proceed. Eto talaga, overexposed to eh. Kita mo, kahit hindi kailangan itanong, itatanong pa. Anyway, pasensya na po sa mga iba pa pong mga resource person na hindi pa po natanong. This, again, this hearing will be suspended today. Pero you expect, heads up lang po, lahat po ng mga nandito pa ngayon is automatically invited in the next hearing. No? And we will give you ample time to prepare. COMSEC, yung 3-day rule natin, di ba? 3-day rule tayo. Continuation ng suspension ng hearing. We might as well send an invitation mga 5 days before. Para lang po, sigurado po na wala nang magpa-admit sa ospital, wala na pong mga kasalan, no? Saka dapat po sundin nila po yung naging attitude ng isang retiree na treasurer from Bawan. Kahit po hirap na hirap siya, dumalo po, nakinig, kahit medyo may kahirapan sa parinig, sumagot po, at of course, for humanitarian consideration, pina-excuse po natin. So please, in the next hearing, all of you is automatically invited in the next hearing. Yung notice po, papadala na lang po namin. Do I hear a motion?
I move to suspend this hearing, Mr. Chair.
Second, Mr. Chair.
There's a motion to suspend the hearing. In objection, the chair is none. The motion is carried. The hearing is suspended.